How to deposit money to Kraken from bank account. In order to do it, you first need to open your web browser, and here you need to simply search for kraken.com. Now once you are on Kraken, you will be able to see the home page that will look something like this. So you need to tap on the deposit option, and then in the left hand section select the transfer crypto option. Once you have done that, it will show you the deposit option. So you need to select that particular currency which you want to use in order to deposit that. Afterwards, you will be able to see the deposit option. It can be directly and it can be manually. So you just have to simply enter the deposit amount and select your favorite bank. Afterwards, you need to simply tap on the deposit option in the bottom. Once done, you will be redirected on your bank's official website where you need to provide your banking credentials there, and you need to just conclude your payment. Now once you have successfully concluded your payment, you will be able to get your money, and that will show on the home page. So this way you will be able to deposit your money on Kraken with the help of your bank account. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.